So you want to see how I went from a just regular old Walmart notebook to a customized 3D printed front and back cover. Let me show you. So the supplies you're going to need is, of course, the notebook. I got this from Walmart. It is the Pen and Gear One Subject College Ruled. I got it this year, so it's the current one. You're going to need some wire snippers, and then you're going to need some needle noses. I also use a clip to help me hold everything together once I take the coils out. So these are your supplies. Stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I get it done. The link to the supplies, as well as I have this actual file blank on my website, so I will link the supplies as well as the blank covers in the description box for you to go grab. All right, I'm going to show you how to get this to here, and we need the coils from here in order to do it. So I'll go ahead, and you want to snap your ends. So just take you some wire cutters and just snap it, and I'll link this in the description box. So then you just start rolling it. And you see it's coming out. And I'm using the college ruled one subject notebook, the Pen and Gear. This came from Walmart. So the Pen and Gear, I got these this year, so it's their current one right now, and it has the regular brown back. So now you have it out, so you can sit this aside, because I already have some sets of sheets from another one that I put in here. So you set it aside, grab your new one, get it all lined up. So with the coil out, I take mine, I stack it up, get the holes lined up, and then I take a clip and clip it in the middle just to hold it in place. And then I start from the bottom. So you can see what I'm doing. And then you're just going through the holes. So back. And sometimes you have to push it over to the hole. So it, like right here, I push it over, and then you come find it on the front. See, it didn't go, so just push it over a little bit more. Watch it come to the front, and just take it all the way through. Just turn in the coil. And once you do enough of them, you'll get fast with it. And you just want to guide it to its next hole, and just keep it going. So now we're up at the top. You roll it in. Be careful at the opposite end. Make sure it don't come out. So then I take these, and I just bend my ends, kind of like what it was at first, just so it's no possibility of it coming out. or coming unloose and the paper coming out. So there you have it. And then you have a notebook. So you went from a regular Walmart spiral notebook to a fancy schmancy notebook. Yep. So head over to my website. I have the blank front and back. It really doesn't matter. Just know that if you're putting something on the back, you need to do it on the reverse side. So if this was the front, you'll have your holes to the left, and then if this was the back, you'll have the holes to the right and put the design on there. So don't confuse it and have both of yours with the holes to the left, because you're going to print it out wrong. The front cover, holes to the left, back cover, holes to the right. All right, enjoy. Until next time.